So we are heading to the stores to go do some grocery shopping to restock our fridge and our pantry. Usually when we go to Sam's Club, we always do the scan and go. Some for the kids, maple syrup, figs, greens, then we got corn. Right. That's it. Get it breakfast bowl. Chicken.
Here at the Grand International Market, and my wife is gonna buy a rice holder and probably some other stuff. Dispenser, my bad. Pray for my wallet.
We said we're here at Grand International Market, and this is like my ultimate favorite place to go to. Forget all my Asian stuff. Let's go. Bamboo steamer, got some sauces for put our sauces in, and we also got a rice dispenser. Yay!